What's up YouTube? Welcome to Noob Android. Today I'm introducing you all an app called ES File Explorer. Basically it's a file manager which lets you navigate through your file system, as well as it is a very powerful cleaner which lets you clean files which are unnecessary for you. So this is how you manage your device storage like a pro. The link for this app is given in the description, as it is not available on the Google Play Store. You can see some apps are using its name, but they aren't the app which I am showing y'all. So link given in the description, you can check it out there. So after opening the app, just hit the analyze button. It will analyze your internal storage. It also analyzes SD cards as well, so it will take up some time. Wait for it to be get done. After it's done, you can just locate your internal storage in all files, and you can see how much space which folder is taking up. For me it's Android. Basically I have games and stuff. I have cleaned up my storage. In DCIM you'll find most of the junk in your thumbnails. I've also cleaned that up. In camera you can see videos take up more space, so you are the one who decide what you gotta clean up. So deleting your files isn't any rocket science. Just select which file which you want to delete. You are the judge here. You can check the details of the files also by just pressing it. Press the delete button. Make sure you uncheck the smooth recycle bin option, or else these files will be moved to recycle bin, which eventually won't have any effect on your internal storage. It will just take up the space which it was taking up before. So just uncheck this if you want to delete the files. So this was it, how to manage your storage like a pro. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel for more content like this. Peace.